Okay. Um, Making sure that I have my audio. I had to re-record this. I just recorded this whole thing and my mic was muted. I want to go over the multiple trades that we had. We have another 100% win rate today. 100% win rates are not the norm, but they're becoming the norm with us, and I'm super proud of this. We're really honing in on our strategies and really becoming disciplined. So we had a couple trades. One being Amazon right here off the top range. Um, and we took it down to the bottom of the envelope. So that was about 600 in premium. But before that, we actually entered long on our algo right here. So we were managing a long position based off of, let me get back here, based off this entry right here. Excuse me, it's going to flip around. So our algo is specific to Amazon SPX. So it's not available to anyone right now. But I do alert it within the Discord. So anyways, we entered a long one right here, but we also always look for scalps short, especially when we have a 2 down day and a 2 down on the week. So we were looking for that, and we got it. We got one there, and we got one right here. Same thing down the envelope, based off right here. We scaled out, and then just got out as it started going back up. So another winning trade. Another one later in the day that was just a really good setup was this failed 2 up coming in off the top of the envelope after the algo had told us to go short down here. We entered right here and we just played this nicely all the way down to the VWAP and got out right here for a couple thousand per contract, which was a great choice because then we chopped the rest of the day. Another trade that we took and alerted was the first candle of the day on Tesla. Our algo flipped right here. So we got in at 865 and I was looking for basically back here. Excuse me. Back here, and we hit that. So about a $30 move on Tesla, a couple thousand per contract on that. And then crowd, the 2 up, the 2 down fail, and the 30. So we entered about here. This was kind of a tricky one. So 10% move was like this pivot right here. So we did scale out, but I knew that we could see low of day with this kind of momentum. And we also had a flip here on this chop algo. So what I did was just say you can leave a runner for a low of day, and it actually got hit down to the dime and right into this wedge we bounced. So it's a great exit and a great one for winners. That was more than 100% on those. Costco was one that we took 10%, 10 to 15% on. It's a weekly swing, so it's still valid. So what we're looking for is a breakdown below this level. And what we got was, well, just about that level. It's actually right there. We got a close down below it on 1 hour, so we entered here. We got 15% move down to here twice. What was cool is if you got out of 15% and left a runner, you wouldn't be stopped out yet because we haven't closed back above that level. So we got into it, failed, got into it, failed, and then got into it again at the end of the day and failed. And now we're at pre-market or post-market, we're down $2 off that. So it's still a very, very valid trade. We're 2 down on the week. And I expect we see, you know, if we go to the weekly, my first TP got hit, which was right here, but the next one was about right here, so like 495. Those weekly pivots might come into play and bounce around, but we'll see what happens. So going back to the 1 hour right here. So those were the trades that we took. We took Costco, Crowd, Amazon 2 or 3 times, Tesla 1 time. Excuse me. I hope you guys are learning something. I know these are fast-paced, but go check out the other videos that teach you the overview of the strat. Feel free to join our Discord and ask me questions. I'm here around basically all day. So take advantage of that. Thanks.